Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. I'm so excited to be back again with another color art giveaway. We have so much fun doing these collaborations and I hope you guys are enjoying them. There's 14 videos today. So you've been watching the other ones. Hopefully you're collecting those words, getting them ready to make that phrase and sending it off to Leslie for that $400 value prism pour set. How generous is that? I just want to thank you, Leslie, for doing this. It's always a fun time. Also, in each video, you have a chance to win the smaller sets of the 2-ounce prism pours. You get to choose which color set you'd like, and you just need to like, subscribe, and comment in each video. So there's 15 chances to win prizes today. Let's get started. We're gonna go through some colors. I hope you're all doing well out there. And remember, like, subscribe, comment, collect all those words, and have a great one, everybody. Let's go. I'm going to go through really quick the colors that I'm going to be using for my pour today. I am doing a swipe. So I'm actually using 2 sets of the prism pours today. I'm using the new ones. It's in iridescent silks, and I'm using the tropical pearls, but I'm only using one from the tropical pearls, which is actually the bonus color, but I just thought it was really pretty. It's called Black Ruby. So that's the one of the tropical pearls. The rest are the iridescent silks, and this one is Mother of Pearl, beautiful. This one is Misty Veil, just a beautiful shimmery, like color shifting purple, beautiful gray. All right, the next is Bohemian Sea, beautiful blue. Of course, you know me, I love my blues. And then the other one I used, which is just a little bit, and I used a squirt in my base paint, which is the French silk. I also am using 2 of a previous set. I'm not exactly sure what set it is. I'll have to ask. I'll have to find out for you. But this one is Ambrosia and Mayan Gold, and I mixed these 2 to make this color. Okay, so I have that. I'm also using Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. Okay, I have a folk art one decor paint, which is called Blossom. It's a pretty pink. And that's it for those colors. My base paint is this I made a light gray blue out of, again, the French silk, just a squirt of that. I used the smoke gray Deco Art satin enamel. It's a Americana decor. And I used a little Amsterdam blue gray to create this color. I will be swiping in the Australian Floetrol Cell Activator, and that's 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam White. I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas, deep edge canvas. It's called The Edge, and these are awesome canvases. I get them on Blick. I have my little spinner here if you're interested in that. She is an awesome artist. You can go and check out the link in my description box if you want to try out her spinner. She makes them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video. All right.
Sky, take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose. After years with the